Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Dad, you promised to reward me if I passed the English test. Well, I did.
OK, what do you want? A laptop? A video game? An e-book reader? Or a smartphone?
Wow, Dad, you're so generous. My old mobile phone is still good. The screen of an electronic book is rather small, so I think a laptop will be my choice.
What a wise choice, Fong. A laptop has lots of benefits. It's portable, so you can take it with you. It's economical, so we don't have to spend too much money. And it's very versatile, as it can do many things.
When you were my age, you didn't have a computer, did you?
Of course not. No emails, no online games, no internet, no online shopping, no...
How could you live without those things?
We did, but computers have really changed our lives. The computer is definitely one of the greatest inventions in the world. Now, tell me what you will do with your laptop.
I'll use it to listen to music, to chat with my friends, and to play games.
Is that all? How about for your studies?
Yeah, I'll use it for researching topics on the web and typing my assignments as well.
Right. Use it wisely, and it will be your best friend.